Let's be real. Saving money today feels harder than ever. Prices are up, interest rates are high, and it feels like everything costs more. So the question is, how do you actually save money in 2025 and beyond without cutting out everything you enjoy? Let's break it down with practical, credit smart strategies that actually work. Step 1. Heal and leverage your credit. One of the easiest ways to save money that most people overlook is improving their credit scores. Why? Because a higher credit score means lower interest rates on credit cards, auto loans, mortgages, and even car insurance. If your credit score is in the 500s or 600s, you could be losing thousands of dollars in interest over time. Just improving your credit score could save you between $100 to $500 per month without changing your lifestyle. Step number 2, stop overpaying on interest. If you're carrying credit card debt, interest is draining your money. Consider using the avalanche method. Pay off the credit card with the highest interest rate first, or consolidate your balances to a lower interest loan or balance transfer card. Let us know if you need any type of assistance with that, and we'll definitely help you. The less you pay in interest, the more you can put in your pocket or your savings account. Step 3, track where your money is going. Use a free app or even a spreadsheet to break down your monthly expenses. You'll be surprised how much slips through the subscriptions, delivery fees, and impulse purchases. Once you know where your money's going, you can redirect those dollars towards your savings account or towards your debt payoff. Step 4, build your credit while you pay your bills. Here's a smart move. Use tools like Experian Boost or rental reporting services to turn your everyday bills like rent, utilities, and streaming services into credit builder tools. Better credit equals more money saved in the long run. Step 5, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers no matter how small. Even $10 to $25 per week adds up. Make your savings automatic so you don't even have to think about it. Saving money in today's world isn't just about clipping coupons or skipping coffee. It's about making smarter credit decisions, reducing interest payments, and building a financial system that works for you, not against you. If you're ready to take control of your money and your credit, go to www.credithealing.org. Let's create a strategy that works for your real life, starting now. Money saved is freedom earned, and it starts with a better credit score and making smarter decisions. Let's make it happen together.
In 30 days.
100 points within.
This is what I got for instant improvement.
Here and give a testimonial about credit.